So today we work on 2012 Chevy Cruze. So we're gonna work on the water pump, replace the water pump. So we have to remove the air filter, connect right here, take the pipe off, connect the connection, take out, and then we have to lift the engine a little bit in the bottom so we can take the engine support. It's on the way. The engine support you have to remove. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it really quick. So I just do the easy way. Just put some block right here on the engine frame. It's right there because it's solid right there. And I do this right here. And put a bar right here, strap, and just lift it up the engine the quick way on that one. So just remove the 15 millimeter bolt, 3, 5, and the one screw right here, the bolt right here. So the engine brake is out. So right now I'm gonna move 15 right here, this side 15, and one underneath, and take this sport out. So the other part is out. So right now, before you remove the belt, you have to lose these 3 bolts right here, because if you not lose this first, you're gonna have a headache to remove the pulley. So the tool you're gonna need to remove the engine bracket, the engine support, is 15 millimeter socket. Remove all those. So right now you're gonna need the socket E12, to remove this bolt. I don't need to remove all of it right now, just loose, make it a little bit loose so you're able to pull out when you take the water pump. And you need to remove those 2 bias different one. I'm gonna show you guys which one you're gonna need to remove those. Okay, for the belt tensor, you're gonna need E14 to release the belt tensor, so you're able to release the tensor. And for those bolts right here, you're gonna need the E10. E10 for those bolts. This for the thermostat, so you're able to remove it. And this remove the connection. Let's pull the clip out. And remove those. And this right here, just pull out. So you're able to remove. Just gently. Don't break it. So right now we're going to remove the belt. try to find some place here to put it so I can remove the belt and show you guys by myself. I don't think I can do that. Make my phone there. Okay, so right now you have to remove this right here too. Okay, like I said, when you lose all this thing, now you're able to unscrew. Right there. So right now you have to remove all the bolt too. You're gonna use the E-tank to remove one. It's right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, I believe. You have to remove all of them. So I'm going to disconnect the camshaft. So I'm going to, on my way, right now I'm going to remove all of them. So I want to do the quick way so I don't remove the hose right there. Just remove the 3 bolt to the thermostat and take the auto pump out. So now we're gonna put the new one. So now you have to remove the gasket, the old gasket, and get a razor blade and clean out the spot. So you can put the new gasket, and the new gasket is gonna seal properly. So you're gonna seal everything. So clean out it. Make sure it's very clean before you put the new one. So now it's already done, it's cleaning. So make sure when you guys gonna clean all the doors, so they don't go through the water right there, so they can go in the system and block the system. So make sure you take all the dust out. Don't leave no dust in there. So now it's the time to install the new one. I'm gonna show you the part number to the new one. The new one. So that's the new one. Gasket. The thermostat, they come together. So that's the new one, brand new. So that's the port number. So I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone on the side here just to hold the gasket. So when I put it together, the gas don't keep it felt. I'm not gonna break the gasket. Like I said, just put a little bit just to hold the gasket, so the gasket is not able to move. So now I'm gonna put it in place. Back to the spot. So now the water pump is right in the spot. Thermostat is right in the spot. So connect on the plug back. So right now you're gonna put it coating back on the spot. Just put it back in the spot and tight the most you can. So at the time you put the belt and you can work out and tie it the proper way. So don't forget to connect the hose just right here. So this hose I have to remove. I'm gonna cut a little piece because the hose is cracked anyway. I don't want this thing messed up and leaking. So I'm gonna cut a little piece and put it back in the spot. So now as everything is spot, make sure you connect all the sensor. So all the sensors connect. Make sure everything is okay. Put the belt. Now the time to tie it. So that's the easy way I find to tie the bolt. You bring the big ply, put in the needle, hold it. So you can hold on this side and tie the other side. So that's the easy way to tie this one. So I'm gonna see if I can hold the phone right here. It's crazy, so I can show you guys how to. Easy way to do that. So hold this part. I'm gonna tie it. So now I move the other one. done. So all three is done. So now I'm gonna connect the air filter back to the place. All things connect, and we're done. I'm gonna put all the bracket back to the spot. I'm gonna put the air filter box, and everything is okay. So I'm gonna put it back to the spot right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, now all the brackets is installed. I'm gonna take all the hanger and put it to the engine. So now I'm gonna put the box to the filter and put the water in and run. Now you put the coolant and put the maximum. When you're going to start the car, you're going to put the heater on the car so they take out the air in the system. So you can see if the waters go down, you just feel a little bit more and wait till the fan to run. So when the fan is on, you're sure they don't have no air in the system and everything. A little bit more. So you can leave the tap off. So now I'm gonna crank the engine. Pour all the air. Put in the maximum. And you pour the heat. You don't need to AC it on. So pour the heat. And then you go to fuel. So when they start to blow hot air and the fan to run properly, so you know everything's okay. So keep an eye on to the gate, the temperature gate. Make sure all the vents is open. Make sure all the vent is open. that's the process you have to do. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and give a like so I can make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.